Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting showcase of the Mini Circular Welder, brought to you by Nikkit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions. Crafted by industry-leading experts, this state-of-the-art welder isn't just a machine, it's a gateway to unparalleled welding performance. With its specialized capabilities, the Mini Circular Welder doesn't just meet your welding needs, it exceeds them. From T-joint welding to flange welding and pipe-to-pipe joints, this powerhouse machine ensures flawless connections with every pass. But what truly sets it apart is its Tig Fusion technology, guaranteeing welds of impeccable quality that consistently meet and exceed the highest industry standards. But that's not all. In addition to its precision welding prowess, the Mini Circular Welder is designed with your workflow efficiency in mind. The optional wire feeding feature streamlines operations, making your welding processes smoother and more productive than ever before. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your welding experience and elevate your craft to new heights, look no further than Nikkit Engineers Welding Automations and Robotic Solutions India. Contact us today and discover how the Mini Circular Welder can transform your welding projects with its unmatched performance and reliability. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content from our channels.